Hello, this is my review for the Sally Hansen Airbrush Legs water resistant. This is how it looks. It's 4.4 ounces and the shade that I'm reviewing today is the Ferris Glow. This is how it looks. This is basically leg makeup. This is how it looks. It mixes perfectly with my skin tone. And all you have to do is put it around, spray around your legs. Make sure it's even. You can even put it on your palms. Spray, smooth it out on your legs. It will cover freckles and spider veins. And all you have to do is wait a minute or two before getting dressed, and it will resist water. And to remove, all you have to do is put some soap on a washcloth with water, and it will remove it. With soap and water, it comes off easily. Thank you for watching my video.